Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Authenticator for your Gmail account. First thing I want you to do is just go to your phone settings. I want you to scroll all the way down, click on Google, and then I want you to go ahead and just click on your email address that you want to use, okay? And then click on it right here, click on go here, Google account, and then what I want you to do is I want you to go to security right here. So security and sign in, okay? And then two-step verification. Make sure this one is on first. So we need to toggle this one on, and then I'll show you what you need to do next to enter your screen lock to basically verify that it's you. And now once you turn on two-step verification, you add a authenticator app. So you click on setup authenticator, and you can either scan this QR code or click on you can scan it, and you'll get this one-time key, okay? You copy this key, right? You go to your Authenticator app, click on the plus icon, and then tap on enter a setup key. Enter this one right here, your email address and the key. Make sure time base is selected and tap add to finish. The reason I'm not showing it to you right now with the app is right here. When you click on it, the app blocks out screen recordings, but that is basically how you do the process. So hope this helps. If it's helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.